Your entryway sets the first impression of your home. Make it warm and welcoming. Start by defining your space, even if it's small. Every inch counts beautifully. Use a stylish console table or a small bench to anchor the area. A mirror above the table instantly adds light and makes the space feel larger. Choose a statement mirror shape, round, arch, or geometric, to match your style. Keep the surface clutter-free. Use trays or bowls to organize daily essentials elegantly. Add a vase with fresh flowers or greenery to breathe life into your space. If natural light is limited, go for faux plants with a realistic, vibrant texture. Include a table lamp or wall sconce for soft, inviting lighting in the evenings. Layer your lighting, ambient, task, and accent, for a designer-inspired atmosphere. Don't overlook your walls. Artwork adds personality and visual depth to the entryway. Use framed prints, minimalist art, or even family photos in cohesive tones and frames. Add a rug that defines the area and ties together your color palette seamlessly. Choose durable, washable rugs that can handle dirt and daily foot traffic easily. For smaller spaces, use vertical elements like tall mirrors or slim coat racks. Add hooks for bags, coats, or hats. Stylish yet practical for daily convenience. Layer textures, wood, metal, fabric, and ceramics to add warmth and visual interest. Balance your tones. Mix warm woods with cool metals for a modern contrast. Incorporate baskets beneath tables for storage that still looks curated and intentional. Decorative boxes or woven trays can conceal keys, mail, or other quick-grab items. Consider your color scheme. Neutrals create calm, while bold hues make a statement. Add a pop of color through art, vases, or a patterned cushion on the bench. Use scents to complete the atmosphere. Candles or diffusers create an inviting vibe. If space allows, a small stool or chair adds charm and everyday practicality. Incorporate personal touches like travel souvenirs or handmade decor pieces for uniqueness. Keep symmetry in mind. Balanced decor feels professional and visually harmonious always. Add layers of height using stacked books, candles, and decorative figurines on surfaces. Avoid overcrowding. Negative space allows your design to breathe and feel intentional. If your entry opens directly into a room, define it with a stylish divider shelf. Use materials like rattan, black metal, or wood to complement your existing decor style. Lighting color matters. Choose warm bulbs for coziness, cool for a clean, modern aesthetic. Remember, every decorative item should have purpose, beauty, or a personal connection too. Don't forget functionality. Decor should enhance how you use your entry every day. A hidden shoe rack keeps clutter away while maintaining visual simplicity and elegance. Layer your decor with seasonal updates, flowers, wreaths, or themed accessories occasionally. Add a signature item, like an oversized mirror or sculpture, for a strong focal point. Use wall shelves if you lack floor space. Practical and stylish for narrow entryways. Blend textures softly. Linen, jute, and wood tones bring warmth and natural appeal. Introduce metallic accents, gold, brass, or black, to elevate your entryway instantly. Pay attention to proportions. Large items overpower, while too small looks unfinished quickly. If minimalism suits you, focus on fewer, high-quality items with timeless appeal always. For maximalists, create a layered story using art, patterns, and vintage treasures beautifully. Add a personalized welcome sign or framed quote that reflects your home's character well. Keep walkways clear. Functionality should never be sacrificed for decor aesthetics. Remember that. Refresh regularly. Small swaps like flowers or art can instantly transform the vibe effortlessly. Capture natural light with mirrors and glass decor for an open, airy, elegant feeling. Use soft tones on walls and furniture to create a cohesive and peaceful entrance. Always balance style and purpose. Your entryway should feel intentional yet lived in comfortably. Step back, assess, and refine. True design comes from thoughtful, evolving visual harmony. Now, your entryway feels curated, cozy, and ready to welcome guests like a true professional.